Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate the world of beauty products with real, honest insights. Let's talk about something that could make a big difference in your manicure routine. The Deborah Lippmann 2-Second Nail Primer. It's a nail primer, but with a twist. It's designed to clean up residue, enhance wear time, and give you that flawless finish you're craving. This 0.5 ounce bottle might look small, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with a special formula that promises to remove any leftover oils, dust, or debris from your nails after prep, so the next steps in your manicure really adhere and last longer. The goal here is to improve your nail polish's staying power without having to do extra work. Now, if you're anything like me, you know how frustrating it is when your manicure doesn't last as long as you'd like. That's where a product like this could shine. The idea is simple, just a quick swipe, and the primer preps your nails for the next layer, whether it's a base coat, color, or top coat. Using it in real life, honestly, it was easy to incorporate into my routine. It dries quickly and doesn't leave behind any sticky or oily residue. I've tried this before applying a base coat and without it, and let me tell you, the difference is noticeable. My nail polish did indeed stay on longer with the primer. It's especially handy if you're working with glitter or textured nail polishes that tend to chip more easily. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's effective. I got the longer-lasting results it promised. It's a super easy step that doesn't feel time-consuming or complicated. The formula is lightweight, dries fast, and doesn't leave any weird film or smell. The packaging is sleek and it's pretty travel-friendly. On the downside, the price might be a bit higher compared to some other nail prep products. While it works really well, there are cheaper alternatives out there that claim to do similar things. So if you're watching your budget, you might want to weigh that out. Speaking of value, it really comes down to whether you're willing to invest a little more for that extra layer of longevity. The quality is definitely there, and I can see this lasting me a while, even with frequent use. The fact that it works well with all kinds of nail polishes and doesn't interfere with the color payoff is a big plus. If you're into nail care, this could be a solid addition to your routine. But if you're just looking for a quick and budget-friendly solution, you might want to check out a few other options on the market. Some brands offer similar nail prep products at a lower cost. As for build quality, it's great. The bottle is sturdy, and the formula is reliable. I haven't noticed any changes in the primer's effectiveness over time, so I feel confident it'll last. Plus, it's a small bottle, so it's easy to store or throw in your bag when you're on the go. Now, if you've already used the Deborah Lippmann 2-Second Nail Primer, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know if it worked as well for you as it did for me. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase the Deborah Lippmann 2-Second Nail Primer in the comments or description box below. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.